Congratulations, you have selected school reform. So, of course, the first thing you did was open up video introduction because you're watching me. The next thing you do is open up the document. School reform. This group's job is to create positive change for our school. What are some things that are affecting you now that you wish were different? So, for example, most students immediately go for dress code. Okay, that obviously isn't something that we're working with right now because we kind of don't have one, okay? Your dress code is literally like, make sure you're wearing a shirt. So that's probably something that you will not want to be focusing on at the moment. How would you change those things? How can you convince the teachers to get on board? So the first or the next step is to write your idea for change here. Okay, this is just a brief overview of your idea. Mr. Weatherall and I will always leave feedback to let you know if and how we'll move forward. You'll need to include the date that you came up with this idea. You can put your name here as the leader, or if you're shy or anything like that, you could put somebody else's name here. Of course, they need to agree and approve. Same thing with team members. You can't just like nominate people to help you. They have to sign up for this. Okay. So yeah, that's school reform. This one I think might be a little bit tough because we're in e-school, but I trust that you guys are like super creative and can come up with some really great ideas, and I'm sure you'll be able to convince us to side with you. So let's get those ideas moving. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let us know. You got this.